Alright gents, here we are in Sydney. Slept in an RV park because we got lost in a forest that was really scary where we were trying to camp last night. But yeah, so we slept here just outside of Sydney, a couple k's outside of Sydney. Gonna go get some stupid pictures of Sydney, like Opera House and other crap with our cool WRs in it. And then rock up to Cessnock and get new tyres. Pumped for it. Let's go. Feeling good, Brendan? Yep. Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. Just having a cold one. In a cold one. The dilly-dally is so strong. I literally left like Nick another hour. I packed up as slowly as possible. I'm still done, like so much quicker. I've been waiting for like half an hour. He's still dilly-dallying. Why do we bring you, Nick? Why do we bring you? Alrighty, gents. In the middle of Sydney. Just about to get a picture with the Harbour, the Sydney Opera House. That's where we're going. So, well, we've got three pretty looking WRs all decked out in adventure gear. It'll be good to get a picture of them in Sydney, even though it's like peak hour traffic. We're gonna freaking get a snap. We got Parliament House. Now it's time to get the Sydney Opera House. It's been a while since the last time I've ridden in Sydney. Probably would have been when I was on the S1000RR. Been to Sydney a few times after that, but not on a bike. It was actually a good spot. I got to just dodgy park on the footpath for a bit. Because I'm from Melbourne and we park on the footpath. We don't park like this in Melbourne. That shit freaks me out. The bikes are so close together. Scooters touching your bike and shit. Oh, couldn't think of anything worse. Here it is. Shut up! The Sydney Opera House. Let's dodgy park on the footpath, see if we can get away with it for like a second until we get told off massively. We'd have to be quick. So here we are in Sydney Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. Lined up the bikes, but time to go. Time to go to, I don't know, I think Kirribilli or something. Do some like quick as you can do it tourist destinations in Sydney. I say I'm not the biggest fan of Sydney, but frickin' hell, it is picturesque, isn't it? Melbourne isn't really that picturesque. We don't have anything really big standout things, but frickin' Sydney does. Oh, gents, here we are, Sydney Harbour Bridge. WRs, couldn't be better. Freaking love it. That's a freaking amazing bridge, man. Very freaking cool. Very freaking cool. 1 WR, 2 WR, 3 WR. We're going to drop in and say good day to the old Prime Minister of Australia. The police cops. Australian Federal Police. They're the ones you don't really want to mess with, is it? We already got ASIO on us yesterday at the freaking what was it? Freaking Parliament House. There it is. Kirribilli House. Kirribilli House. This is where the Prime Minister of Australia lives. Probably not home right now. There's a couple of coppers walking around, giving us a look. Anyway, let's move on. Get some freaking lattes. Let's go. It's been great fun. Billy, we just saw this Woolworths truck just crash into this post. He's stacked his. He's going to do it again. He's going to stack his freaking truck again. Crashing his truck literally outside, like Kirribilli House. Let's see that bridge again. Pretty amazing. Phenomenal.
Go away.
It's his bike now. He owns
there
it.
We go.
Oh
no.
On the Nishi.
Get off the Nishi. Get off.
It's rooted now. It's his helmet.
You gotta give him your helmet.
Yep,
Not
too bad.
anymore.
Oh, I'm missing a bolt in my bark busters. Can you chuck us one? Thanks, mate. Arigato gozaimasu. That was a good joke, Tom. From the bark busters van. One of these number plates. Number plate was Ego. Ghostbusters. We are on the Old Pacific Highway, better known as Old Pack, to keen motorcycle riders in Sydney. I've actually never done it. Every time I come up here, everyone's like, oh, did you do Old Pack? But I never do. So here I am, taking this way up to Cessnock, even though it'd be much faster if we just took the motorway. Who wants to do that? So, first time hitting up the Old Pack. Got no idea what to expect. Well, let's try it out, eh? Rained all morning. The road's pretty dry now. On completely fried knobbies. They're basically slicks now. So they're like, they've gone from a knobby to just, they're like a Pirelli Supercorsa now. So they should be brilliant on this road. Or not, we'll find out. Yeah, pretty cruisy. It looks like it gets pretty spaghetti-ish coming up. So, awesome times coming up. Wow, nice road, man. Nothing like super technical, and as you can see, you got a lot of like lane and stuff. There's nothing really dangerous about like at like Reefton Spur or something in Melbourne. This is like a racetrack, man. This is good. Kind of wish I was on something a little better than a WR250 with no rear tyre. Feel the edge of my knobbies just doesn't feel good. Not a lot of grip there on these tyres, but it's just for checking out the road. It is really freaking nice, man. See why everyone was telling me to freaking come here. And over the motorway. You're not meant to go that fast. You're meant to come next to me. These guys don't know how to make movies. Making me speed up for the shot. This is the shot. You want that. But with that background. Kids these days don't know how to make YouTube videos. This is nice. Nice bit. S-bends. I love S-bends. Undulating S-bends. They're my bread and butter. That's what fuels me. Fuels me. Alright, gents, we're in Cessnock. Ready for the rally. Oh, it's right there. There's Cessnock Hotel right in front of us. We just had 3 WRs ride past us. I think one of them was Tim from the US of A. Well, I'm sure we'll meet up with them later. This is a big town, Cessnock. I thought it was going to be like a one-horse freaking small town, but it's big. 55,000 people population, they said. We're going to drop the bikes off at Yamaha and get some tyres put on. It should be here. There it is, Yamaha. Ready to freaking rumble, man. Ready to rumble. Yamaha Cessnock. There's a lot of WRs, mate. 1 WR, 2 WR.
But then you should do like 130 WR.
147 WR.
You're gonna get the numbers off the
That is a nice rack and roll. Nice rack and roll. Get tyres. That's what's up.
Oh yeah. Dude,
Hell yeah.
All right.
Getting tyres, and then I don't know what else. We've nothing else to do today. Easy day today. Just chillaxing. Fresh knobbies going on. Fresh. So fresh. Some money's been spent on that one. That looks awesome. Does that have an Athena? That does have an Athena in there.
hell yeah.
3 o'clock on the rocket clock, and we've got some WRs here. That's a nice one. Oh, that WR. So we're about to check in for the 250R Rally. How's the 4X Gold for you, mate?
Gold, mate.
Oh,
yeah, not panning,
gold.
unfortunately, but
Still good.
that's alright.
That's why
I'll still do the joke.
You don't off-road with freaking.
This looks
No. What you do?
I'm just packing some water for this big trip.
Yep, you just chuck it. That's what you do,
put it
right?
Right in the pannier.
Chuck it in your pannier.
It'll last me a couple of days, right?
Wait, Brendan, put it between your shock and the mud guard.
Oh
and be
shit!
like,
This is. It doesn't drain out the bottom.
No. It's waterproof. You're just adding water to your water bladder now. We have set up camp in Cessnock, and we've just been to the dinner, signed in, we're ready for action tomorrow. So just having a couple lazies and around the campfire before we get ready for our big ride tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up early, set up, pack up camp, and do some wheelies and stuff, eh? Hey lads?
Yes, a lot of
we're
wheelies.
so good.
Just gonna ride around our campsite. It's a great campsite.
Yep.
Let's just ride around here.
Cold one, in a cold one.
Oh, it'd be fun to like chuck the high bands.
What's that song?
Couple of